Wizards of the Coast and Blizzard just dropped a massive crossover that tabletop fans have been dreaming about for over 2 decades. The official reveal trailer for Dungeons & Dragons: World of Warcraft is finally here, and it is safe to say that Azeroth is officially coming to the tabletop. Announced at Gen Con, this expansion kicks off D&D's new Universes Beyond initiative. We are looking at a comprehensive 256-page sourcebook compatible with D&D's 5.5e rule set. The trailer highlights an impressive lineup, bringing all 13 iconic World of Warcraft classes, including new additions like Demon Hunters and Shadow Priests, right to your game nights, alongside familiar playable species from across Azeroth's history. What really stands out in the preview is the attention to lore. The expansion covers classic dungeons with ready-to-use adventure hooks, while the standalone Icecrown Citadel map pack promises high-level campaigns taking players all the way to level 20 for that ultimate showdown against the Lich King. Pre-orders are live now, with early access hitting on November 3rd before the full release on November 17, 2026. Whether you are a veteran tabletop DM or a longtime MMO adventurer, this crossover looks like an absolute game-changer. Let me know in the comments if you are ready to roll for Azeroth.